Hello everyone, this is Mahalingam from Mahalingam Market Rhythm. I am going to explain here three simple price action strategy. You can easily find out the support and resistance. Okay, so the NACD chart will be the first strategy. The NACD chart, what you can see without any indicator. Okay, very simple. Very simple. How you will mark the support and resistance. Okay, so today is 13th July. Market opening from 15690 to 15790, almost 15800. Okay, where you can enter in this market. My best suggestion, always you have to be patient. Do not enter first 30 minutes of trade. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, now I can change it to 15 minutes time frame to get the better clarity of the support and resistance point. Okay, see, market open at 15796. Just mark that line, 15796. Okay, and you can check your left. Your left will give you the right signal about the resistance and support. Okay, just extend your line. Okay, you can see this is the opening candle on 5th July. Look at the candle open, that is 15796. Okay, 15796. And now market give you the gap up opening and 15796, just it get reverse. Okay, so first 30 minutes is your initial trading. Okay, so you have to mark the high and low. So this was your low and this was your high. Just NACD chart without any indicators, you can easily predict, you can easily get your trade entry. Okay, see, market open candle 15 minutes. Okay, and it is try to move upward, and the sellers, responsive sellers, again back to the market and push the price down. So this is your candle where the sellers in a strong position and the price is moving to the low of 30 minutes trade. See, there is no close below this candle, below this trend line. Okay, so this will be your support area. Always you have to mark that your first 30 minutes trade, high and low, this is your support and this is your resistance in the NACD chart. Okay, then what else? This was your previous day high. Okay, just have a quick mark on this previous day high. Okay, and you should have your previous day initial 30 minutes candle. Okay, look at that line. These two lines, today 30 minutes trade also the same low, and previous day 30 minutes also the same low. So this will act always as a initial support area. Okay, after the candle touches the first support area. Okay, this means first 30 minutes candle low is 15747. Okay, then responsive sellers push the price down, but there will be a buyer in the support area. They will take the price to upside. So you can see the continuous upside. Always I would suggest keep watching this 3 candle philosophy. 3 candle philosophy, which will helps you to find out the entry point. Okay, so this is the NACD chart price action where you can get the entry initially. Okay, thereafter if you enter here in this candle, okay, your target will be initial day high, so which is close to 15,796. So first candle and the second candle is a red candle, then third one you can able to enter here 15,763 and you got decent amount of 40 points profit. Okay, where is your stop loss? Your stop loss has to be this point 15,746. Look at the risk reward ratio. If you enter here, your target and your stop loss, very simple. You can follow this simple strategy in any stocks, any indices. The same NACD chart initial trade 30 minutes high and low, you can check in a previous day too. See, this is your previous day, initial 30 minutes trade low and initial 30 minutes trade high. Okay, check here. This is initial 30 minutes trading high and this is your initial 30 minutes trading low. You just have a look at it. There is no close. Close means I would always suggest in the 15 minutes time frame you should have at least 2 candles as to close above the resistance for go long, and at least 2 candle has to close below the support to go short. In this case, you can see the candle able to break the initial 30 minutes trade high, but it was failed and push back the price to the lower end. You can see the breakdown and retest. Okay, enter here and you can see the follow up of downtrend. Why we need to enter here? See, always you have to follow the strategy called consolidation and move up. Okay, you have a candle like this. Okay, second candle. Okay, third candle. Okay, and your fourth candle will be like this. Okay, how we can able to predict? See, the close of each candle has to be bit above the previous candle. That you have to be in a very focused manner. Each candle close should be above its previous candle high for the long. You can see here in a downtrend, this is your close, right? Okay, then the next candle close is below the previous candle. Okay, and you can see the next candle, this candle high. Okay, close somewhere here, so it's mildly close below its previous candle. All these 3 candles gives you a confirmation that yeah, price moves in the downward bias. Moreover, you can see this long reverse doji candle, which will helps you to identify the direction of the market. Okay, this is a NACD chart. Okay, I am just putting only the moving average. How you can able to check the same with the moving average? Okay, open the moving average. I can able to remove this 1 and 2 because always I suggested to have 20 minutes 20-day moving average and a 200 moving average. Okay, now you can able to see this 15 minutes after the gap up on 13th July, the price not even touch your 20 moving average. So which is the first confirmation that the bullish bias intact. Okay, then this is your 200 moving average. Look at the 200 moving average is always through the day favorable with the bullish bias. After crashing this two candle, it is able to resume and crossed 200 day moving average, and while pullback again the price is supporting for upward bias and the trend is continuously in the uptrend. This is 200 moving average. Okay, in the morning on 13th July morning, if you are not a experienced trader, you may win short trade at this candle, okay, or this candle. Okay, why? There was a rejection in the 200 moving average and the price is traded below the recent high in the day. Okay, so in this 15-minute time frame, I can say this is a 1 hour high. So price is not able to move 1 hour high, you can go short. Not like that. Sorry. If you are a professional trader, just you have to have this 20 moving average in your chart, and you have to watch that 20 moving average always respected or not. See, this candle not even coming to 20 moving average, and through the day entire trading is above the 20-day moving average, 20 moving average. Okay, so you have a great support and the support also respected. Okay, so naked chart is our first price action strategy, and along with the moving average, this is the second one. Within these two, it is fair enough to take the trade. Okay, but what is my suggestion? Do not go for the trade till 9:45. You have to verify your left. Your left will tells you what is going to happen. Okay, after taking this yesterday high, that means previous day high, look at the consolidation here. Okay, see, if there is any sellers coming for action at this price, but the sellers failure here. How? The price is not able to cross its previous candle close. Okay, so the price is above 200 moving average, and the price is trading almost 75% of the initial trade. Look at the Fibonacci. If you go with the Fibonacci, see 61.8 is 15,777, and sellers not able to push the price to 15,777. The price is holding around 15,780. Okay, so you have to come to the conclusion when you have found this indecisive type of candle. Okay, so wait for the action. What will be the action in this type of indecisive candle? When the price, the next candle, moves above the high of the previous indecisive candle, you can go for long, because in this candle the decision is not taken by the buyers and sellers. They are unequal. So what will be the next candle? If the next candle is above the indecisive candle high, you can go for long. If the next candle below of previous indecisive candle low, then you can go for short. So always you have to have this candlestick pattern. You have to understand, you have to know what is the candlestick, what is candlestick tells you. Okay, I have read some of the articles about this candlestick, where within this candlestick you can able to organize your trade. How? You can go candle by candle. Look at this candle. Okay. Then look at this reversal candle. This is called outside reversal candle. Why? This candle totally engulfing its previous bullish candle. Now the price is telling you, hey guys, I am just eating my previous candle. Okay, so now there is no further direction of my previous. I am going to rule the market. After this outside reversal candle, you can see there are 3 consecutive candles follow the outside reversal candle. Okay, then the responsive buyers coming into the action where at this initial 30 minutes trade high. You marked here initial 30 minutes trade high. That is what I would like to suggest trader. Do not put your order entry at 9:15 to 9:45. You have to watch initial 30 minutes trade how the market is reacting. Do not worry that I am missing the trade in the first 30 minutes. Market went down 100, 200, 300, 500 points. No worry. For that, you are having your chart on 1st of February. Okay, see, 1st of February we had a fabulous run, right? Where is it candle? This is our 1st of February fabulous candle, continuous bullish candle, and people may think market will not reverse, it will go, but you can see how the market treated that. See, almost we reversed 75% of entire move. So we moved from 13,650 to 15,400 and reversed back up to 75% of the movement. So do not worry. Do not think that, oh my God, we are missing the opportunity will not come back. No issue. I used to trade in copper, in the commodity. Copper price banding between 400 to 700 for the couple of years. So market will stay. Whether we are there or not, that is a question. Should not take over trade and loss all your trades, your capital. Daily basis make a loss. Do you think that you are giving a very good trader? No. There was a statement from Zerodha. Maximum option buyers in that Zerodha account or in loss. 95%. It's not 99%. Maximum. There is no percentage. He just tweeted that maximum option buyers are in loss only. Why? See, if you see any red candle, any green candle, do not take a decision. That is what the great people always used to telling that market is the right place to exchange the money from the impatient to the patient. So patience is very much required. If you are in a patient, wait for the setup and you can do the trade. This is a 1 hour chart. Okay, last we are seeing 15-minute chart of the price action. Look at the 1 hour chart. After this seeing 1 hour chart, if you are not able to understand the price, then it's up to you guys. Okay, this is 1 hour chart. The low point you can see here, close almost nearby 762. This is the first candle. Look at the second candle. Second candle low above the first candle low. Look at the third candle. Third candle low above the first candle. So market is pushing the price to upward. So you have to be patient to have a look multi time frames. It is not like you can see 5-minute time frame, you can go for a trade, 15 minutes time frame, you can go for a trade. For the better understanding of the price action, you have to have day chart. In the day chart, you have to check where is the price. See, this is your 20 moving average. Market comes to 20 moving average 15757. Okay, if it is trade below the 20 moving average for 30 minutes, you can take a decision for go short. But I don't think so. It is traded below 20 moving average. Okay, it is trading above the 20 moving average. See, market is always in a upside momentum on the day. Okay, the day first candle low respected, second candle low respected. Okay, go to the 15-minute chart. See, first 30 minutes low respected. Then what market will come and telling you that, oh, you can go short here. So please very careful by listening market rhythm. That is what I am here to understand how the market rhythm going to be. So you can take the trade when the setup comes. You can take the trade when the price is in favorable trades. Okay, so when this kind of double bottom formation, I would say this could be the triple bottom, because you can see 1, 2, 3. So 3 support area and you can go long. So this is my second strategy using price action. So even naked chart, you can go long at initial 30 minutes trade high, and you can go short initial 30 minutes day low. Along with the moving average, your first preference is 20 moving average. Okay, whenever the indices comes to 20 moving average, you can go long. Okay, whenever market closer to 200-day moving average, you can go long. For the short, it the same. When the downtrend, whenever market back to 20 moving average, you can go short, and whenever market back to 200 moving average, you can go short. But keep in mind, if the for the support, the close should be below 20, below 200. For the long, the close should be above 20 and above 200. So keep it in mind. I hope you can understand the price action. Okay, I will see you in another video with the another Camarilla pivot. Thank you for watching. Do not forget share, subscribe and like, because I checked in my details page, there are more than 40% people viewing my channel but not subscribed. So I request you to subscribe, share, like, bell, bottom, whatever it looks, you can please support us. Thank you.